Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the spooky doll Chucky, but I'm going to try to make him cute. So I'm going to sketch everything out with my pencil first, and then I'm going to go over it with a black marker, and then I will erase my pencil marks after, okay? So let's sketch everything out first. Oh, but before we get started, feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel. All right, so to the drawing, I'm going to start with, I'm going to draw him like sitting down. So I'm going to start with two eyes. So I'm going to make him kind of like the shape of a lemon. So we got two lemon-shaped eyes. And then we're going to draw circles in those lemon shapes. And then I'm going to do a little circle, and then another little circle, and then a circle in that one, like in the biggest one we did, and then color that in. Okay, now I'm going to give him a cute little nose, which is like a U shape, and I'm going to give him a smile, kind of a sideways smile. And I'm going to give him spooky turned down eyebrows. And I'm going to work on the face shape, which is also like a U shape. Now I'm going to give him some floofy hair. Give him a little ear, and another little ear. And I'm going to continue with the floofy hair. Okay, so now I'm going to draw him sitting down. So I'm going to put one oval here. This is going to be the bottom of his shoe. And another oval here, his other shoe. Okay. And then I'm going to come on down, do a line like that from his head to the shoe. And we can draw a line there, connecting it all kind of like a triangle. And we got a little arm. And another arm. I'm going to draw a line here. So we got his little hand. Same over here. And now he wears a striped shirt. So I'm going to do lots more of these lines. These are going to be the stripes of the shirt. Okay, now he also wears overalls. So here's the little neck spot. And then we need to do a little U here and a little U here for the straps and do two buttons. Now we also need lines here for the stripes of the shirt. And he has a pocket on his overalls. So I'm going to do little lines here on the shoe. This is like the bottom of the shoe. All right, so I'm going to sketch over everything with a black marker, and then we'll start to do some color. Alright, now I'm going to take my eraser and erase everything, all my pencil lines. Alright, now I'm going to start to color everything in. Okay, and Chucky has some like scars on his face, so I'm going to draw in some of those too. So we're almost on our picture, but we're not quite there yet. So I'm going to take a red and I'm going to give him one. I'm going to give him a scar here. It's going on his eye. So just a line and then other small lines going the other way. So I'll give him one on his cheek too. So a line and then small lines going the other way. And where else? I think he needs one more. Let's give him another one on the eye, but let's do it this way. All right, so we are done our cute Chucky. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to give a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I hope you had fun drawing, and I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time for our next Daily Doodle. All right, bye everybody.